In this video, I'm going to show you a simple method for adding felt to the bases of your 3D prints to give them a clean and professional finish. This is one of those small details that I think really makes a big difference. The method I use works for resin prints and FDM prints and is really straightforward. All you need is scissors or fabric scissors, felt, and a spray adhesive. That's it. When it comes to spray adhesives, I mainly use this Gorilla Glue one. It's a little on the expensive side, but the can lasts a long time and it bonds really well to felt. For the process, ideally, you want to trace the diameter of the base onto the piece of felt before the base is painted. I usually use a metallic Sharpie for tracing on the felt because it's easy to see. If the base is already painted and circular, you can find an object that matches the diameter and trace that onto the fabric instead. Once traced, carefully cut it out using scissors or fabric scissors. I use a more expensive pair with a curved edge that cuts the felt really cleanly, but a regular pair of scissors or a cheaper pair of fabric scissors work just fine. And it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect since it sits underneath the piece, but I still try to make it as clean as possible. Next, apply a few light sprays of adhesive, then press the trace side of the felt onto the base. Make sure the spray nozzle is clean before using it. These nozzles can get gunked up after use, which causes uneven spraying the next time you use it. Avoid using a really thin felt. In my experience, the thinner felts are actually harder to cut cleanly, and they don't absorb the adhesive as well. Thicker felt trims more easily and gives a higher quality feel once it's applied. You can pick up felt sheets on Amazon for pretty cheap or at most hobby stores for around $1 per square foot. You can also have larger sheets cut from a felt roll. Be careful when using spray adhesive as it can easily overspray past the base and onto the model. If that happens, it can dry and leave bumps on the surface. You can prevent this by using masking tape on the sides or just by working in small sections and taking your time. That's really it. It's a simple process, but adding felt to the base of your prints adds a really nice finishing touch. And a quick but important safety note, most spray adhesives are toxic and flammable, and they release VOCs, so when working with spray adhesives, always wear a mask or a respirator, and make sure you're in a well-ventilated area with good airflow, and avoid spraying in enclosed spaces. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video, or if it helped you in any way. Thank you as always for watching, and I'll see you on the next project.